the interior. The bathroom for the Airbnb. And this is the living area. Okay. Nice little kitchen. We got a big ass TV too. My kind of TV right here. So this is where we're gonna be hanging out with our little anchor pillows and our 3 chairs right here, along with a table and 4 chairs. Very nice. And as you can see, what's that I see over there? That is the beach, Fort Walton Beach. It's right around the corner. Which room is this?
That's for the kids.
Oh, this is the kids' room, aka adults. This is gonna be our room. We got a king bed over here. Okay. We got a nice little starfish to greet us by this table. I bet you this table's rough. It is rough. And we got our own bathroom and shower. This is pretty nice. What do you guys think? Have you ever been to Miramar Beach, Florida? Alright, this is our balcony upstairs. And we also have a lot of sitting area here. And there it is. The lovely Miramar Beach.